The Agility for Life model has two components: mental agility training, which strengthens your brain, and the personal agility framework, which consists of 12 principles that increase your chances of success at whatever you decide to pursue. This video kicks off the series to explore that second component, the personal agility framework. The whole approach to these principles, and the reason why they work if you follow them, is that you make small incremental improvements. Because the changes are tiny, number one, they're easier to make, and number two, they're easier to back out if you don't like them. Imagine eliminating your fear of failure. The principles of personal agility are based upon the same methodology that 4 out of 5 of the largest corporations in the world have used to become mega corporations. These are the principles I followed in a successful IT career. After I retired, I realized I was practicing the same methodology in my personal life. So I went back to the original and shrank it down to match what's inside my head. Why should only the big guys have all the fun? It'll fit inside of your head too. So far I've discussed at length only the first of the 12 principles. Superior beauty and creativity emerge from self-organizing minds. The Mental Agility Training Series shows how to make that happen. By regularly practicing 5 techniques that you already know how to do, you can enhance your brain. If you do nothing else with the personal agility model, your life will improve with this one principle alone. However, there are 11 more that guide you in making your efforts more effective. Now, if I try to give them to you all at once, they tend to be a bit overwhelming. Even big companies don't follow all of the principles all of the time. In fact, Google only uses the first 2 of them. And look at how successful they have become. I'll put them down below in the comments if you want a preview, but for this overview, I'll just focus on some of the benefits. I want to show you how to build your confidence and motivation. Along the way, you will learn how to maximize your personal satisfaction. I will teach you the art of simplicity. I'm even going to give you a method to develop your very own superpower. The cape is optional. Are you skeptical yet? You should be. Here's another thing to make it even more unbelievable. It's free. There is no book to buy, no seminar to attend. Unless you want to buy a cape, no special clothing or equipment is required. I'm giving it away for free because I believe the world needs this. Since it can only be done one mind at a time, the world needs you to do this. Because it's free, I'm not going to waste any more time convincing you to buy something. I am just going to explain these principles 1 or 2 at a time and tell you how to make them yours. Here's my intent. The next 9 videos present the personal agility framework, where I promise to do my best to eliminate your incredulity. Is that a word?